Today, I'll walk you through how to add a row in a Power BI table, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to enhance your data tables so you can make your reports more comprehensive and insightful. Let's get started. First, open Power BI Desktop. This is your main workspace where all the magic happens. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functions remain the same. Once you have Power BI open, look for the Home tab at the top of the screen. Click on it. This is where you'll find most of the tools you need for your data manipulations. Next, locate the Enter Data button. Click on it. This action will bring up a new window where you can input your data directly into a table. Now, a window will pop up allowing you to create a new table. Here you can rename your columns to fit your data needs. If you need to add more columns, simply click the plus sign. This flexibility is similar to adding new ingredients to a recipe. It allows you to customize your dish to your liking. To add rows to your table, click on the last existing row. A new row will be automatically added right below it. This process is as simple as adding a new line in a text document. Once you've added your rows and made any necessary adjustments, you can close the window. Your new table will now be visible in the main Power BI interface, ready for you to use in your reports. And there you have it. You've successfully added a row in a Power BI table. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different datasets. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.